I am Jerome Campbell, the creator of Code App, and I am a Jamaican tech entrepreneur. I am from Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew, so that may qualify me as a countryman. By now, everyone should be aware of this latest sound. Please be advised, 10-digit dialing is now in effect for Code App is a solution for that. Code App allows you to automatically update your contacts for 10-digit dialing. It does this automatically and it does it easily. It's available in the Google Play Store by typing in Code App, no spaces. The iPhone version will be released shortly. Code App is not just about adding 876. There are value-added features to it. The roadmap to add more value-added services. I had an issue if I should want to send credit to my wife. I had to go in the phone, copy the number, dial the number before it, dial the amount I want to send after it. So as a technology man, naturally, I'm going to say there's a better way. Code App allows you to easily go in, select the contact, and send off the money. When I started UTech, I thought being in computers involved Microsoft Word, Excel, the browser, stuff like that. But I realized that it's way beyond that. I found a liking to programming. I found that I was good at it. So I continued. The funny thing is, it was about year 3 or year 4. My colleagues were telling me about a profession as a programmer. So in my mind, I'm thinking, I can make money from this. People will pay me to do this. So I continued on that path. I thank my fellow Jamaicans for the support that they have given me. It's now number 2 ranked in that type of app with over 30,000 downloads. And we are going for the number 1 spot. So we continue to develop it, we continue to make it better, and we continue to make it fit our local context and provide solutions for our local people. I'm Jerome Campbell, and I'm a lecturer at Vocational Training Development Institute, otherwise known as VTDI. Here at VTDI, we offer ICT-based courses to impact an industry. I also teach application development along with other ICT-based courses. I encourage persons to take advantage of these government institutions and these government opportunities because these institutions are here for you.